The thing that really makes a beautiful shirt stand out is a beautiful collar.
Hello viewer, I'm Stella with 𝒮𝓁𝓶 Fashion. Today I'm going to teach you on how to draft your collar and also how to sew it. The materials and basic measurement for this course will be in the description. If you are looking for other patterns, see my bodice and corset drafting courses in the description. And remember to subscribe to the 𝒮𝓁𝓶 Fashion channel and click the bell for notifications to see more great fashion contents. So what you do, you take this one, right side facing right, while the left side facing downward, this other part facing upward, okay? Just know the right side facing right side. You take to your machine to sew 1/2 inch. Stitch first, you back stitch. Going to sew 1/2 inch. That is what I'm sewing right now. So when you get here, okay, lift it up, then turn. So make sure you also sew here. So what you do, when sew here like this, then turn and do like this. Okay, so once you are done with this, cut off these parts for easy turning. So what I need to do is to turn it. Stuff didn't go very well. So make sure you use your scissors to make sure these edges, they are out. Okay, you can also use a pen to bring it out. So once you are done with this, Okay, let me give it a nice ironing, then I will be back. So when you're done, I've gone to iron it. You can see how neat it is. So what you do, you bring this, okay, right facing right. Before then, fold it this way to get the center. Okay, you have to get the center. Do same here. Okay, so when you're done, do same here. Okay, right side facing right. Okay, can you see? You have to use this. So this is my center. So I can as well pin it. Make sure this is inside. So when you're done with that, what you need to do, use a knife. Make sure you don't cut the thread. So go ahead to turn it. So this is the final look. I'm going to put it on the door. So you watch my next video, watch how I'm going to fit it on the neck.
Congratulations on completing this course on sewing a collar. We went through drafting, adding allowances, and final sewing for a good design.
Thanks for joining me. This has been Stella with 𝒮𝓇𝓈𝒻 Fashion. Comment if you have any questions and check my links if you need help with your fashion designs. I would love to help you perfect your work. If you found this video helpful, press the like button and subscribe to the 𝒮𝓈𝒻 Fashion channel for more helpful tutorials and contents for fashion designers.